Hi guys, we are here at the Hyatt Place Waikiki Beach. We actually booked this through our World of Hyatt credit cards because you do get a free category 1 through 4 every year with the credit card. It's a $95 an annual fee. And you get a free hotel category 1 through 4 every year. So we use 2 nights of our free hotel certificate. So you pay $95 and probably these rooms are worth, I don't know, $300-400 a night. So having the credit card every year is worth it for us. I'll put our link down below in the description if you'd like to sign up for that card. And because we're Discoverist members with that credit card, we got upgraded from the City View room with king bed to a specialty mountain view with king bed, which is on a corner and a bit larger room. So I'm going to give you a little bit tour of this room. The room that we have here is 631, which is the corner view, like I said. And these rooms come with a king bed plus a pull-out sofa bed. You can also get 2 queens with a pull-out sofa. So nice comfy sofa. If you've stayed at a Hyatt Place before, they all kind of look exactly the same. King bed here. And desk area. Over here we have a little coffee station with coffee and tea, as well as a refrigerator, TV, and storage space. And then here on this side we have full-length mirror and the closet area with, I think, the biggest hotel safe I've ever seen. Extra pillows and blankets, of course. And on this side, your iron and ironing board. Hair dryer, extra towels, single sink here. And then separate area for the toilet and shower area with, again, extra towels. For your toiletries here, you have bar of soap, shampoo, and conditioner. And then if you need anything else, they said to just give them a call downstairs for it. Don't forget your rewards, because World of Hyatt is probably the easiest credit card rewards program to use, and also the easiest hotel rewards program to use with the best rates. So everybody likes to do this if you're credit card hacking. And then the last part of our tour is the outside area, which we are in Waikiki, which means we are kind of in the city. Let's see how to open this. So it is a bit loud down here because we are right in the middle of the city. There's a pool here. I don't know if that's the pool for this hotel. I kind of don't think so. But here is our mountain view in the background. So this hotel is actually 2 blocks off the Waikiki main beach area, but it's an easy walk down to the beach if you want to go swimming or go walk along the beach. It's good if you're looking for a little bit more budget-friendly hotel while you're in Oahu, and it also includes free breakfast, which is a big plus when you are trying to be a little bit more on a budget, or if you have a big family who you're traveling with. And the hotel does have its own parking, but there's also parking on diagonal across the street, which is a little bit less expensive. And that's about it for this hotel. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, if you don't mind, hit the like button, thumbs up, and subscribe if you don't mind, because it really helps out my channel. Thanks so much. Hope this helps you out for your upcoming trip to Hawaii.